Outside of work, I like spending time with my family and my 3 children. We're overall very active and enjoy playing tennis and basketball. Having had 2 ACL reconstructions myself, I can really relate to my patient's experience in terms of having orthopedic issues, and that really plays a critical role in how I approach patient care. Hi, my name is Sandesh Rao, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon within the Department of Orthopaedic Surgery at Johns Hopkins Medicine. My areas of focus include hip and knee reconstruction and replacement. Within that, I also focus on complex and revision reconstruction, as well as management of periprosthetic fractures involving lower extremities. I chose to go into medicine because it was a direct way to have an impact and help people. Orthopedic surgery was specific because it allowed me to help patients specifically get back to a higher quality of life and better function, both with and without surgical options. My philosophy on patient care is really focused on shared decision-making and building trust, specifically with orthopedic surgery and joint replacement surgery. A lot of the times the decision is really based on how impacted the patient is by the disease and how limited they are. And so the decision to proceed with non-surgical or surgical management really comes down to what we're trying to accomplish in terms of patient goals. And so shared decision-making and building trust is really critical in how I care for patients. With regards to research, hip and knee surgery is designed to help patients improve their quality of life and their functionality. In doing so, the goal is really try to maximize those gains while minimizing the risk to the patient. To date and continuing forward, much of my focus in terms of research is on trying to minimize the adverse effects of surgery and make the patient as optimized as they can be before they undergo the operation. Building the patient relationship is critically important in my ability to care for individuals, and I think that Johns Hopkins provides a very unique opportunity to accomplish that. I really look forward to taking care of the community and being a resource in the future.